schemes.
Yeah, scheme. Okay. Now see. Now be serious, please. See, if we are going to okay, let me first.
Do it like this. Tilt it.
See, if we are going to study any government scheme, so we have to understand something that what should be our focus. Let's first understand the importance of it. Why is, why should we read this government scheme? First, it is important for prelims point of view. How? Because direct questions come in that. Direct questions. I will show you some questions first. Okay, then I will show you like that. है ना, like PM Kisan, Ayushman Bharat, and these are the scheme. So some direct questions come in prelims, that is important for our prelims point of view. In mains, you can write in government initiatives. So this is important for your mains. And essay, if you are writing any examples in essay, then you can use this. Okay. Ethics paper,
These
again.
schemes in the sense of we can use in governor part and also in the polity also you can
Yeah,
use.
you can use anywhere.
Polity,
Economy,
economy,
politics,
it can
whatever
be
you
used.
remember. See,
No?
UPSC is
One more thing, schemes
Yeah.
are very vast now. Many schemes are there.
Yeah, but I will tell you
how
some
much
important.
Uh-huh.
Some importance and some techniques so that you can read yourself as well.
Tell us a technique how to remember these many
Yeah.
schemes also. Okay.
Yeah, but there is a condition that one should not lie. And the last one is interview stage. See, interview stage means, you know, suppose that you are giving interview there, and so I can ask that what government has taken any initiative for this, like vulnerable people or whatever. So see, this way you have to remember. So it means कि in your prelims, mains, essay, ethics, interview, all where government scheme are
Important.
important. Now tell me the approach how to read the government scheme. Okay. The first is
You can write this.
no.
You're recording.
Yeah, I'm recording.
What
See,
you are writing? Nothing. Just casually writing.
see, the first thing what you need to keep in your mind is that, you know what? What?
Purpose.
Ministry.
In any government scheme comes under which ministry?
Ministry.
First thing.
Right?
Yeah. Any government scheme comes under which ministry? And second is
Purpose.
type. Type. Tell me what do you mean by type?
Centrally sponsored.
Yeah, centrally sector. So this is called type.
Centrally sponsored.
Assembly sector. And the third one is establishment year. When it was founded.
Sponsored and sectored, no?
Yeah.
So when time period.
Time period. And the fourth one, do you know what? Fourth one is criteria. Means who are included
Who are
and
eligible
who are
and who not.
excluded.
Eligibility, no?
Yeah.
What?
And the fifth one is purpose. Purpose are objective of the scheme. Objective, or you can say features. So these approach should be there to read any scheme. Okay, and I will also tell you guys how to link it, and because there are so many schemes, and okay. So this actually suppose that let me ask one question to check that how you guys know actually. Tell me, Manrega scheme, have you heard?
Huh.
It is for
Mahatma
what?
Gandhi. Employment.
Employment, right? Now tell me, this scheme will come under which ministry?
Rural.
Rural and नहीं यार employment it's related to. अरे यार I've read it.
Rural development.
Rural development. I know that. I don't remember. It's right, rural development. Ministry of Rural Development did it.
Panchayati.
And tell me the type.
Type.
Centrally sector
Spons-
scheme. Central sector scheme.
Centrally
What is the
sector.
difference between sponsor and
I
sector?
know na. I said you know that time. If proportion like 100 see 30 is to 60% of contribution from center and 30%,
30% is that it
if
is called
it
a
is
sector.
fully from central
It is sponsored.
no central sector scheme.
अच्छा,
Yeah.
fully from center, it is central sector.
हाँ.
And if it
Some
half,
portion, if it will be contributed now, then it will be
okay,
central
this is
sponsored
sectored one
scheme.
because it is
Yeah.
fully from the government. Okay.
Economies are also
Huh.
taught this one. You forgot?
Huh, I remember. You told me na, I remember that when I had a doubt once. And the time period is that it doesn't have any time period. Okay.
What time period?
Time period means when it will be started.
I mean, it is gonna end.
No, a target, like target. Anything
target,
which one is related to time, you have to note that one.
You're
Yeah.
looking very uncomfortable. What happened?
Not comfortable. I'm thinking that how much you guys know actually. Then according to that I will tell na. Because first I judge that how much you guys know. So see.